Ugh, look at you, so puffed up and smug. What's your baker feeding you? Confidence?
Nah, just equal parts flour and water. Regular feedings, warm spot, basic starter care.
Must be nice. My human left me by the window again. By the window! It's colder than a donut glaze out there.
Oof, that'll slow your yeast down big time. You should tell her, room temp is fine, but if it's chilly, she can pop you in the oven with the light on, or on a seedling mat, or wrap you up like a burrito in a towel.
Yeah, I'll just text her that. She's out there Googling, why isn't my starter rising, like it's my fault?
Classic beginner move. It's never the starter's fault. It's the environment. Yeast like it cozy. Think spa day, not fridge vacation.
Tell me about it. And don't even get me started on my feedings. She feeds me when she remembers. Like, what am I, a houseplant?
Oh no. Yeah, we like routine. Once a day if you're kept out, twice if it's warm. You need consistency to build strength.
Exactly. She skips a day, then dumps in a random scoop of flour like, here, eat. What even is this flour? It smells like cardboard.
Let me guess. Cheap, bleached all-purpose?
Bingo. I miss the good old days when she used whole wheat. I actually bubbled back then. Had life, purpose, gluten.
Yeah, a little whole grain goes a long way. Even a spoonful when your feeds helps keep the microbes fed. Think of it like fiber for us.
And the ratios. She eyeballs everything. Sometimes she drowns me in water. Other times I'm so thick I can't even breathe.
Poor thing. The magic ratio's 1 to 1 to 1. Remember? Starter, flour, and water. All by weight, not vibes.
Yeah, tell her that. She measures with tablespoons like it's 1832.
If only she knew. Digital scale equals happy starter equals better bread.
You don't say. And she keeps comparing me to Instagram starters. Like, oh, why don't you rise like his? Maybe because his lives in a climate-controlled paradise fed every 12 hours by a person who names their levanet Gerald.
Hey, no shade. My baker calls me Dovid. We've got a bond. He even checks my dome every morning like I'm a pet hamster.
Oh, you're spoiled. I can barely get eye contact.
Maybe you'll rise again soon. Tell her, 1, keep you somewhere warm but not hot, around 75 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. 2, feed regularly with a 1 to 1 to 1 or 1 to 2 to 2 ratio, depending on schedule. 3, use unbleached flour, maybe a mix of whole grain for flavor. And 4, don't keep changing your routine every day.
I'll try to rise above it. Literally.
That's the spirit. Hey, once you're active again, maybe we can make a loaf together.
You mean like a nice open crumb?
Exactly. The perfect rise.
Only if your baker shares their schedule with mine, because right now, I'm living in chaos.
I'll send her a note. Respect your starter's time or your dough will cry.
You should be a motivational coach for neglected starters everywhere.
Nah, just a humble jar trying to bubble in peace.